Foldable phones are kinda weird. They're expensive and not that durable, but boy, they're really impressive. The foldable game is already on, but we still haven't seen Apple's participant. But we will, and now I'm gonna tell you some details. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. With Samsung, Motorola and others pushing ahead with new versions of their foldable phones, I'm patiently waiting for Apple to unveil a foldable iPhone, but it seems I might still have to wait a good few years for it to make an appearance. Seasoned analyst Min-Chi Kuo, who is usually an accurate source of Apple information ahead of time, says that he's revising his early predictions of a foldable iPhone launch in 2024. Kuo now thinks it'll be 2025 at the earliest before such a device shows up. While that's going to disappoint those of us waiting for the iPhone to adopt the latest in smartphone innovation, it fits in with Apple's previous approach of waiting for technology to be refined and perfected before adding it to their own products. Kuo was responding to earlier reports that Apple is thinking about using LG screens to make a foldable MacBook or iPad. According to the analyst, Apple is prioritizing medium foldable screens first, before moving to a larger and smaller ones. A folding display measuring 9 inches is already in testing at Apple, at least that's what Kuo says, though that screen size might not end up on a final product. He adds that the first folding Apple product might in fact be some kind of iPhone and iPad hybrid device. The 2025 prediction fits in neatly with rumors I heard back in February. Those rumors suggested that Apple was in no hurry to enter the foldable smartphone market and might well wait past 2025 to launch its first folding device into the world. There is no doubt that foldable smartphones have a lot of appeal. They do everything today's smartphone can do, but they give you the option of a tablet-sized screen that's better for watching movies, playing games and multitasking, while still being small enough to fit in your pocket when they're closed. At the same time, there are currently several barriers to entry. There just aren't that many of them around right now. Questions remain over the durability of the mechanics, and that is perhaps the key factor. They tend to cost an awful lot of money. With the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 due later this year, Samsung will be on the 4th iteration of its foldable smartphones. That should mean devices that are longer lasting than ever, and I'm hopeful that they're going to be more affordable too. If you want to know more about Samsung's next foldables, you can check out my video in the upper right corner. However, more phone makers are going to have to join the party for the foldable phones revolution to start gathering some fresh momentum. With Apple apparently not dipping its toes into the waters until 2025 at least, we might have to look to Google for the next bit of impetus. The Pixel Fold is rumored to be arriving later this year. My today's question is, would you consider buying Apple's foldable? If yes, how much should it cost? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything, and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN, and I'll see you guys in the next one.